Well, hello everybody. This is a follow-up video to the one that David Atkins and I made about easy track cleaning with oil. It's generated quite a lot of interest and some interesting comments, including a very valid question. Would it have an effect on locomotives with traction tyres? So I'm doing this video to show you not only the detail a little bit more closely, but also something else I've done and a demonstration of a loco with traction tyres going up an incline. So here we go. First of all, the amount of oil that you put on is very, very small indeed, and just a little drop on the top of the track in a few places around the layout, and then let the train run over it, and that spreads it around. And then he suggests wiping it off with, this is a napkin, lint free, and you can see that's the amount of dirt that just come off that, and that track had been cleaned previously. The trouble is, I do have a lot of track, and some of it is a little bit difficult to get at and wipe off properly. So what I've done, I've taken this wagon, which has a pad underneath it, some isopropanol, and then put some onto the pad, put the wagon up to a loco, and then run it round the track. Now I have here a Lima rail car, and it has traction tyres. Now let's see how it manages on an incline. No trouble at all. And that's climbed 3 inches in about 10 to 12 feet. Well, that's it. I hope that answered a question or two. I'll put a link to the original video in the description, the bottom of the screen. And thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.